everyone, welcome to another cleaning video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today I am just going to be picking up around the house, and I started off by doing laundry because we had 3 bins filled. So my question to you guys is, what house chore do you guys hate doing the most? Either dishes or laundry? Because mine would have to be laundry because I can get it all done and everything, but the minute I have to put it away, I can't. It'll literally sit there for weeks on end before it's all put away. We will probably wear it before it's actually put away. So on this day, I wanted to keep the cleaning a little bit more simple, just basically picked up and cleaned the areas that needed more cleaning, which typically involved the first floor, but I also ended up doing the bedroom and also changing the shower curtains. I did not clean the kitchen on this day because after I was done cleaning, I was gonna cook, and typically after we cook, it just becomes a mess again, and I didn't want to have to clean and then make a mess and then clean again, so I just didn't even clean the kitchen throughout this video. I just did it afterwards, but after we were done it was already late, so I didn't want to include that in the video. Having junk mail is the worst thing ever because it can seriously stack up so much and just so quickly because of how much mail you're receiving. So I always just put it on that console table right there, and it just really creates so much clutter, so I constantly just have to keep throwing them away and stuff. So for my birthday, I was gonna get me the Dyson vacuum, but then I was like, you know what? I don't vacuum every day like that to really buy it. But now I'm really starting to change my mind again, and it's mostly because of the cord. The Dyson vacuum is cordless, so it can give me more room to clean and also clean the sofa and the stairs since it has a little compartment you can pull out, and it just makes it easier. So I'm really contemplating on getting it because it would just make my life 10 times easier.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you.
And like always, I just have stuff on the dining room table. I really need to start using the office more, and I've been so lazy in finishing it up. I already know what I want and how to kind of make it more of an office, but I've just been very lazy in starting the process.
Like a champagne bottle, the sun has been outshine. The planet's totally alive. I'm pretty. I'm pretty. Red lips, red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by you. Oh, what a madness.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
And finally, moving on to the upstairs. So like I mentioned earlier, I just did the bedroom and changed the shower curtains, which you will see a little later in this video. I wanted to at least make the bed and pick up around the bedroom. Since we both work in the mornings, we really don't clean the bedroom or make the bed as often as I would like. So whenever I have the chance, so like whenever I'm off or something like that, I just make sure I do some cleaning in the bedroom since this is where we sleep and stuff.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
I am so excited that Christmas is right around the corner. Christmas is my favorite holiday ever because everyone gets together and the gifts and stuff. I don't know exactly how we're going to do Christmas this year, but I'm just excited to be celebrating and spending time with my dog and my boyfriend. This will be my dog's first Christmas and I'm just so excited. And this will be our second year celebrating Christmas at this house and I just can't wait. I will be posting decorating videos soon, so make sure you're subscribed and also have your post notifications on. I will also have a Christmas decor haul for you guys as well. It will probably be up next Sunday, but I'm not sure yet, but I'm just super excited for the holidays.
And I'd get caught too, 'cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you, your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too, 'cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things, some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you
and we have come to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing clean with me video. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family. I do post every Sunday, and also follow me on Instagram, which I will have linked down in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
You've been wondering about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are.